Hello there, how are you doing? Now in this section, in this brand new section, we're going to learn about JavaScript and date type. Okay? So the date type stores date as the number of milliseconds that have passed since midnight on January 1, 1970. It's a universal time code, right? So to create a date object, you can simply use a new operator along with the date constructor. So variable now equals to new date, and you'll see this example. Let me show you here. So variable date equals to new date. Okay. Console log date. Refresh, and you can see today's date is Tuesday, January 2nd, 2018, and all that stuff. That's how we use date type. There's a lot to date types. Okay, when the date constructor is used without any arguments, the created object is assigned the current date and time, and that's exactly what we did. We just create a new date type using the date constructor. We didn't supply any arguments. To create a date based on another date or time, you must pass in the millisecond representation of the date. Okay, and there are two methods for this. For example, date.parse and date.utc. So here's an example of using the date.parse. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. Now there are quite a lot of date formatting methods, and there's one library called moment.js, which is a pretty popular JavaScript library for working with the dates. Okay, so here, as you can see, we have formatting methods. For example, just like before, we created a new date using the date constructor, and then we can use all these properties available with date. We can use get full year, and that would return a year. We can use get month method, and we can get the month. We can get day using dot get day. We can use get hours to get the hour. We can use get minutes to get the minutes, and we can use get seconds to get the seconds. Okay, so very short introduction to date type, and we're going to move on to the regular expression type in the next video. Thank you.